In this video, we will try to solve a problem on utility maximization that was asked by a brother on Econ Maths Telegram channel. The question is like this. Ahan's utility function for good x and y is represented as by this very utility function. We have a person Ahan. His utility function is given by uxy is equal to twice ln x plus ln y, where ln is the natural log. Okay, the price of good x and y are same. They are $1 each. Ahan's income is $12. We have to see, suppose price of x has increased to $8. Price of good x has increased. Find the income necessary to make Ahan to reach same utility as before price change. Okay, we need to see how much income is required for Ahan to reach the same utility as before the price change. Okay, so how do we solve this question? Let us see what is the utility function first. Originally our utility function is u x y is being given as here, that is twice ln x plus ln y. Okay, this is the utility function. And what is our budget constraint? Let me write it here. Price of x is $1. Price of y is also $1. Income of the Ahan is $12. Okay, now what will be the budget constraint? Our budget constraint will be price of x into units of x plus price of y into units of y should be equal to m. Okay, so what is price of x? 1, so we can write x plus price of y is also 1, y should be equal to income. Okay, so this is our utility function, this is our budget constraint. Now we need to find out the optimal bundle that the consumer will consume by maximizing his utility. For that we use the tangency condition. Okay, so our tangency condition requires that marginal rate of substitution between good x and y should be equal to the price of x upon price of y. That means marginal rate of substitution between two goods should be equal to the price ratio. Marginal rate of substitution is being given by marginal utility of x upon marginal utility of y, and it should be equal to the price ratio px upon py. Okay, I hope I am making sense here. What is the marginal utility of x? Means differentiating partially the utility function with respect to x. Okay, so the derivative of ln x, that means ln x, its derivative is 1 upon x. Okay, so we have here 2, so marginal utility of x will be 2 upon x divided by what is the derivative of marginal utility of y, means partially differentiating this utility function with respect to y. Similarly, ln y will be equal to 1 upon y by rules of integration. Okay, so this is 1 upon y should be equal to the price ratio. What is price of x? That is 1. Price of y is also equal to 1 here. Okay, so we can write it like this: 2 upon x. If we transpose, this will become y upon y, sorry, 1 should be equal to 1, which means 2y upon x is equal to 1, which implies here it implies, let me write it here, so we can write x is equal to 2y. Okay, now put x is equal to 2y in the budget constraint. If we put this value x is equal to 2y, we will get 2y plus y is equal to 12. That means 3y is equal to 12. That means y is equal to 12 upon 3 comes out to be 4. Originally he will consume 4 units of y, and what are the units of x that he will consume? Just plug y is equal to 4 back again in this function. So we have x is equal, so what we have x plus the value of y is 4 is equal to 12. That means x is equal to, transposing this here, 12 minus 4 comes out to be 8. Okay, so originally he is consuming x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 4 units. Okay, and what is the utility that he is getting from this consumption bundle? So utility that he gets from this consumption bundle of xy is equal to, just plug these values, x is equal to 4 8 and y is equal to 4 into the utility function. So we will get So let me write it here, will be equal to, we have 2 ln of x, x is equal to 8. Let me write it here, ln of 8 plus ln of 4. Okay, when you solve this natural log of 8 and natural log of 4, you will get this whole stuff equal to 5.52. Okay, so originally he is getting 5.52 utils of utility from consuming x units of, sorry, 8 units of x and 4 units of y. Okay, this was before the price change. Now after price has increased, let us see when price of x increased to $8. Okay, what will be our new budget constraint? Okay, so our new budget constraint will be simply, we have x, in place of x we have 8x. Okay, so our new budget constraint will be equal to, let me write it like this. So this is 8, the price of x into units of x, plus price of y into unit, price of y has remained same, should be equal to 12. Okay, this is our new budget constraint. Now same thing, we just want to find the new consumption bundle after the price change. For that we will use the tangency condition again, but our budget constraint will be this very thing. Okay, so again using tangency condition, means our marginal rate of substitution between x y should be equal to the price of x upon price of y. And what is marginal rate of substitution? We have calculated this very thing. This comes out to be 2 upon x divided by 1 upon y should be equal to the ratio of the prices. What is the price of x here? So let us take bar, that means new price. Okay, so price of x is this time 8, so we can write here 8 upon price of y is same. So when solving, this will become 2 upon x into y upon 1 is equal to 8, which implies here we can write it like this, 2y upon x is equal to 8, or 2y is equal to 8x, or y is equal to, transposing this to, it will get divided, so this will become 4x. Okay, so this will be the new bundle, that means y is equal to 4x. Now to obtain same level of utility as before, what we need to do, we just need to put the value of y is equal to 4x in our old utility function. Okay, so for this let me rub this here. Okay, I hope I am making myself clear. So new consumption bundle will be, let me write here, new consumption bundle will be x, and in place of y we have 4x. Okay, now to obtain same level of utility as before, okay, for that we just need to plug the value of y is equal to 4x into our ordinal utility function. That means utility of x, in place of y we have 4x, 4x should be equal to, what is this, it should be equal to twice ln of x, okay, plus ln of 4x. Okay, simple thing, we just plug the new consumption bundle in our old utility function. Okay, since we are being told to find the income necessary to make an array reach same utility, okay, same utility as before, that means we just need to equate this new utility with old utility. What was our old utility? We calculated, that came out to be 5.52. that means 5.52. okay, simple thing, don't get confused here. We just plugged the new consumption bundle in our old utility and equated it with the utility of old one here. Okay, so we can write it like this. ln of x can be written as ln x square by the rules of logarithm. Okay, if we have like this, let me explain how do I get this very thing. If we have ln 6 ln x, it can be written as ln x. This will become coefficient, sorry, this will become here exponent. Okay, same rule I have applied here. Then we have plus ln 4x should be equal to the old utility 5.52. Okay, now by law of the logarithm, if we have ln x plus ln y, it can be written like this, ln x into y. Okay, same rule will I apply here. That means ln x square into 4x is equal to 5.52. Okay, x square into x square is x cube. Ln, we have here 4x cube should be equal to 5.52. Okay, if I transpose this ln, it will become here our exponential function. Okay, or 4x cube will become e to the power 5.52. Okay, simple. Transposing this, it will become e here. Okay, or we can write it like this, x cube is equal to, if we transpose this, it will become 1 upon 4, this is 0.25 e to the power 5.52. Okay, or x cube, here we have x cube becomes this very thing. When we solve this very stuff, it will become 62.4, or x is equal to, taking cube root, 62.4. when we transpose this cube, it will become cube root here, or x is equal to 3.9. okay, so he should consume 3.9 units of x, and units of y he will consume will be equal to, y was equal to 4x, that means 4 into 3.9, which comes out to be 15.6. okay, so this is our new consumption bundle in numericals, in the absolute values. So he will consume 3.9 units of x and 15.6 units of y after the price change. Okay, now what we need to do here, now to obtain the same utility, what should be our new income? Our new income, let us denote it by m bar, should be equal to, okay, we have 8 times x, this plus y should be equal to, let us see what will be our new income then. That means new income will be equal to 8. What is the new consumption bundle? That is 3.9. 3.9 of x plus the units of y he is consuming is 15.6. That means the income that he should have, 8 into 3.9, this is 31.2 plus 15.6. that means new budget for the consumer should be equal to 46.8. okay, so the consumer needs $46.8 to get same utility as he was getting before after the price change. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.